Hello everybody, today I'm at the Milwaukee Hilton downtown. It is a historic building. Recently underwent a remodel and facelift, looks great. The executive lounge off the lobby is open and they do serve hors d'oeuvres at night and like a continental breakfast in the morning. The first room that we're going to check out is actually a deluxe king room. It is all one big room with a sofa sleeper. It's pretty nice. My particular room does face downtown or towards the lake. Just wasn't on a high level though. As you walk in, you'll notice that some of these old buildings, or most of these old buildings, old hotels, it's going to have a small bathroom. So as you walk in, the bathroom's going to be on the right-hand side. This particular bathroom just has the single sink, and then the toilet tucked away in the corner. And then they did take out the tubs and put in stand-up shower. It's comfortable, nice. And this particular property does have the typical Crabtree products. Continue into the room, you have your closet to the left. Then you have your sofa sleeper. Again, one big, large open room. Carpet's new, wallpaper's new. The coloring is new. I also like that they put in the little breakfast bar here, which does have your fridge and safe underneath. It's always nice to have a fridge in your room. Again, this particular room faced the lake. So not much of a view though, because I'm on a low floor, this one. Overall, a really nice room. The next room that we're going to check out is actually a junior suite, king one bedroom suite. This is going to be on the corner, again, lower. So it does face the water, but not on a high floor, so can't see it. As mentioned in the other room, we do have a small bathroom to the right. It's got a single sink, stand-up shower, and toilet tucked away on the right. As you continue into the room, you'll have your closet on the left. As you continue the room, and then you have your small living room. Again, little breakfast bar table, which is nice. It does have your refrigerator and safe underneath. Keurig coffee maker on top. Then this one bedroom has the two doors that go into the bedroom. Bedroom's a little bit larger. There is no bathroom in here, so your bathroom is out in the main space. Just a basic open bedroom. And then this does have a window that faces towards the lake or downtown. Just can't see it because we're not on a high floor. Thanks everybody for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.